Good morning, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal and Adab to all my valuable viewers. Today we are going to discuss a topic. The title is Growth Mindset. Everybody is blessed with a mind and mindset by Almighty God. We must be thankful to God for blessing us this greatest gift. So, to develop that mindset, we want to achieve, grow, we want to do better, we want to become the best professional, and to do that, first thing we must have an intention to do it. जब एक मोटरसाइकिल या एक गाड़ी को चलाने के लिए जो पेट्रोल इंजन से चलती है, आपको एक स्पार्क प्लग की ज़रूरत होती है. दैट स्पार्क ignites. That is an intention. Your intention is like a spark, and your actions are a fuel. Add fuel, the spark will ignite it, and you will move forward. Same as in the case of automobile. जब हम गाड़ी को ऑन करते हैं, स्पार्क प्लग पेट्रोल और एयर को मिक्स करके, वी गेट दी gases and they move the piston, and the same way intention is a spark and the action that fuels the fire, and then as a consequence of that we start moving ahead, moving forward and develop ourselves as and grow. We all have got the intentions to be better. जो आज हम हैं, कल हमारा आज के दिन से बेटर होना चाहिए, and do more and finally grow. But we are going to discuss how to start that and how to grow, how to do better. The first is what we have to do is first thing start as a small venture. छोटा सा काम शुरू करिए. जैसे एक गाना है, दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, आसमानों को छूने की आशा, with an intention to grow and touch the sky. But some people say sky is the limit, whereas for a person who is an innovative, I repeatedly say sky is not the limit, because you can grow to any extent. Then after you have made a humble and a small start, then repeat that consistently. Your performance must be consistent. ये नहीं आज तो आपने छक्का मार दिया, कल का आपका खाता जीरो पे आ गया. There should be a consistency in your behavior, conduct and your capability and your work and input. सोना नहीं है. Now, as in the case of, as I remember, when we take a teacher in an engineering college or in other academic institution, we always select a person who is a consistent performer. Consistent performance means we fix some sort of a percentage level right from high school, intermediate, PTech, then MTech, and how you, whether you are consistent performer or not. We always go for a person who is a consistent performer, not a by chance performers. You can get a gold medal in 1 year, but the other career mein you are third class or second class. That means you are not a consistently good performer. Have become a consistent performance, and then commit yourself to practice that. Not that एक बार achieve कर लिया and then you stop doing the practice. Practice makes a man perfect. So please practice it, and then reach second nature. You are no longer just what you are. अपनी सेकंड जो पर्सनालिटी है उसको रीच करिए, एंड इट मस्ट रिप्रेजेंट यू एंड यू मस्ट बी एबल टू परफॉर्म बेटर. एंड देन द फिफ्थ इज, एंड उन्हीं सब चीज़ों का आप हिस्सा हैं, देन फाइनली you arrive at your own identity. You are recognized as an individual identity in the society. कुछ डॉक्टर्स हैं, कुछ प्रोफेशनल्स हैं, कुछ इंजीनियर्स हैं, कुछ मिस्त्री हैं, कुछ प्लम्बर्स हैं, कुछ टेक्नीशियंस हैं. उनकी मार्केट में अपनी आइडेंटिटी है. दे हैव मेड सच ए इमेज इन द मार्केट दैट उसको अगर हमने काम दे दिया, your customer is assured that work will be done. So that sort of identity you have to establish. Then this way your mindset will grow yourself to your full potential. And if you want to achieve your full intention, there are certain factors which contribute to it. Number one, it is an intention. Your intentions must be clear, honest, and sincere to achieve the excellence. Excellence should preferably should be your bottom line. And then the second is how behavior. Some people are very arrogant. You must be humble. You must be very, very humble. Don't think that your thinking is the best. The others can all, your thinking is the highest. There are others who can think better than you. So please have that level of सोच अपने अंदर, एक ऐसी थिंकिंग पैदा करिए कि you are not the ultimate. There are people, those who may be knowing your behavior must be very humble, very polite, very accommodating and nice. What are then the control over your habits? Your habits should be full of discipline. There should be no bad habits like smoking, drinking, druggist, all those things, gambling. You are known by the habits. सोसाइटी में आपकी रिकॉग्निशन और इमेज आपकी हैबिट से लिंक होती हैं. तो प्लीज़ ट्राई टू हैव ए गुड हैबिट्स एंड देन प्रैक्टिस दोज थिंग्स. प्लीज़ प्रैक्टिस ऑल दोज थिंग्स. जो भी आपकी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं उनको प्रैक्टिस. जिस दिन practice makes a man perfect. And then develop your second nature. That second nature is a second personality which comes out of you. That must be doing in place of you. And finally, that gives growth to your individual personality. So then it is simply who are focusing on things body cannot take away. If you focus on the following things which nobody can take away from you, please be focused. Those who are not focused, they are left behind. They are thrown out of the market. So please try to focus on these things. And these are, I am going to narrate you about 7 things which nobody can take away from you. Number 1, your knowledge. Acquire as much as knowledge from all the sources, from wherever you get. Collect it, gather it, and keep it in your mindset. And always remember, knowledge is such an item. जैसे आपके पास धन आ जाता है, पैसा आ जाता है, जितना अगर आप पैसा खर्च करेंगे तो पैसा कम हो जाता है. पर नॉलेज एक ऐसी आइटम है जो जितना आप ज़्यादा खर्च करेंगे उतना बढ़ता है, घटता नहीं है. देन योर कैरेक्टर शुड बी अबव बोर्ड. नोबडी शुड डाउट योर कैरेक्टर, योर हैबिट्स, योर नेचर. शुड नॉट बी ए थीफ. यू शुड किसी तरह के आपके अंदर चोरी, काम चोरी, पैसा चोरी, डिसिप्लिन चोरी एंड ऑल दैट, नथिंग. योर कैरेक्टर मस्ट बी अप and up only. No doubt in your character. You are and you should have some ethics in your work. वर्क में कहीं पर भी डबल स्टैंडर्ड का काम, सब स्टैंडर्ड का वर्कमैनशिप नहीं होना चाहिए. आपका किया हो, क्योंकि जब आप काम करके चले जाते हैं, जहाँ अपनी आइटम बनाई हुई डिलीवर कर जाते हैं, उसके बाद हाउ एथिकली जो आपका एम्प्लॉयर आपको बारे में सोचता है. अगर आपको 8 घंटे का काम दिया गया और आपने 2 घंटे सो ही रहे हैं, जहाँ आपने जो टूलिंग इस्तेमाल करी है, जब मटेरियल इस्तेमाल करा है, जहाँ जो टेस्टिंग के लिए इक्विपमेंट इस्तेमाल करा है, इवन जो पैकेजिंग जो आपने करी है, इट डजंट स्पीक ऑफ एनी एथिक्स, द कस्टमर विल नॉट कम बैक टू यू. And then your fourth is your mindset should be your passion. It should not be a compulsion. Passion होना चाहिए काम करने का. You must have seen, I have come across, there are certain spokesmen of one of the largest political party in India. By profession, they are doctors. They have done various qualifications from India and abroad. They are very good doctors, but by passion, they are spokesmen of that political party, and they are more successful as a spokesman than as a professional doctor. So any profession should not, until if it is with the, if that, until and unless you do with a passion, you will not be able to excel. So your mindset must be your passion, not just a majburi. Then your skills, acquire more and more skills. आपके हाथ में हुनर होना चाहिए. No gold medal can work. I have seen so many gold medalists in my life, those who are utter failures. Getting a gold medal is one aspect that may help you to enter into a job. Ultimately, it is the delivery, how best you perform and how much you deliver to the customer, that matters. That basically depends upon आपके हाथ में कितना अच्छा हुनर है. अगर नहीं है तो उसको एक्वायर करने की कोई, यू मे बी ए वेरी गुड, आपने किसी सर्जरी में गोल्ड मेडल लिया, बट इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू, यू आर नॉट ए सक्सेसफुल सर्जन, अगर इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू डिलीवर द गुड्स, if you are not able to give the results, and you have not acquired the necessary skill, people will not hire you. And then seventh is your health. Health is wealth. If you are not fit, you are not healthy, you will not be able to do justice to your job. With this, with the combination of all these factors will be able to help you to have a growth-minded mindset. With this, we conclude our today's video. Thanks a lot.